everyone, it's Maria. I am so sorry this video is going up an hour later than when it was supposed to have been, but I started getting us ready for a camping trip that we're leaving on tomorrow. We're not going very far. We're going 2 hours north of us in Oklahoma, and we'll be going shortly after my husband gets home from work, gets showered, and does all his good stuff. So I'm getting my bag packed today, and I'm going to go through their camping totes and repack everything. I want to do a video on what we pack. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to that here or wait till we get to the campsite. And honestly, I need his help with all that. So I will let y'all know when and if I'm able to do that. But I realized where we're going. I want to get what I see put on a sketchbook. And y'all, I cannot draw with the lick, but I still enjoy doing it. And I want to take the bare minimum with me. And we're going to be tent sleeping, which will be fun. I hadn't done that in a long time. So I've done car camping once. And that was fun. But we're leaving my car here. We're taking his truck. And we're going to go up there and hopefully have a good time. We got a shot of rain or storms. I'm praying that it just holds off. Because I want us to have a really great weekend. And there's a lot to do there. So, I mean, you know. And that's the other reason why I want to keep this at the bare minimum. So let me go ahead and get started. You're looking at one of my journals. I call it my junk journal, I guess you can call it. And this is a journal I got at Walmart. This did not come with it. This came from Dollar Tree. I put it right here. So isn't this perfect? And as I'm taping this, I'm pretty sure I'm going to leave one of my little doodads with that I was going to take with me. But I'm taking this, I don't know what size sketchbook this is. And I was going to take the smaller one, but this is awesome for see, I can't draw. But it's still fun. This is watercolor paper too. You know, put like a scenery in front of me. I thought that'd be really fun. So yeah. And this is going into this art. Well, it's a pen case. Everything I'm showing you is going to go into this hyper tough bag, which is going into my duffel bag. I'm not taking a lot. You know, I'm taking probably 2 outfits. I always take a third, an extra one. And then, you know, my pajamas. Just bare necessities. I don't want to, like I said, overpack. But let me show you. We're going to go ahead and get this loaded. This goes with that journal. It won't fit in there in the pen loop. And by the way, that pen loop did not come with that journal. I got it off of Amazon. And it barely, you got to work it. This came with 2 of these sleeves right here, but I took one of them out. And yeah, see, there's the pen loop right there. You get, I don't know how much it is now, but they're off of Amazon. When I had bought them, they were like $10. It's probably gone up. So, anyway. And then, okay. And I've already got, now the only thing I'm missing is a micron pen. I'm going to get that when I go to Walmart. This is a brush. If you see these at Dollar Tree, you need to grab these. I've got 2 of these. This is a journaling ink brush pen, and the reason why I'm getting a micron is because these do not say whether they're waterproof, and I'm pretty sure they're not. And I like to draw with the micron pen. Have trouble scissors, a pen. I get the Walmart brand. Mechanical pencils. I got the refills somewhere in here, and then a trouble water brush. Hopefully my phone will stay in place. Okay, sorry about that. And then in the sleeve right here, I'm just taking a couple of palettes. I want to take gouache paint. Gouache is a cross between watercolor and I think acrylic paint. And I have another palette I was going to take, but I'm not for sure if it's in there. I think it is, but this is out of a LA Colors eyeshadow palette. I know this for sure has the gouache paint. Oh, sorry, I'm out of frame. So have this. And then I got this off of Amazon. This is awesome. Now, I also have Winsor Newton paints in here. And this paint. And this had a little flap with it. And I took those out. This does come out. I'm not going to do it right now. And then this, I put the sponge in there. So, I love this. This is one of my favorite kits. Taking this for the journaling. I call these little mini misters. But you can get these at, I got these at Dollar General. But I know Michael's has them. You can probably find them off of Amazon. And I got some stickers right down in here from a Bible journaling kit. want to add to my journal. Can never have too many of those, what do you call it? The binder clips. Okay. So that's all good and well. And the only other thing, and see, that's why I don't want to take this little kit. Now, my husband gave me this, and I think a camera was in it. It has a little carabiner. It has a teeny tiny watercolor sketchbook. Again, I don't want to overstimulate myself. But this is that palette I told you about, and this is the, I'm going to say he got off a TikTok shop. I don't remember. Isn't that cute? But, yeah, I just wanted, I mean, I can take my sketch, I can take everything I need in this bag, just take out my journal and that kind of thing. The only other thing I'm taking, and I have an eraser, let's click erasers in here. This is just my little Bible journaling or daily devotional kit. I need to take that with me so I can have my coffee and my Jesus time in the morning. So all this, and yes, I'm taking a sewing kit. Just that one. And yes, all this will fit in here. This is a Hyper Tough tool bag. I've learned how to pack like no other. And let me see here. I mean, I'll be able to put that in there. That's okay. Put this in here. Put this on top. Can't really see that. Now it's supposed to zip up. This is made for tools. Okay, let me move this to the side. Yeah, it's not gonna be able to zip up, but here we go. So that's what I'm taking on a camping trip. And I may even switch out the sewing bag, but right now that's what I got going on. I'll show you in a separate video what I have in my travel bag, and we can probably redo that bag too. But it's got everything I need, and actually that's not a bad idea. Let me put it back on the, because, you know, this is just one of those Dollar Tree cosmetic bags. These are so handy for so many uses. Okay, so this is the bag I keep for all this. I have a small, wow, I need to clean this out too, don't I? Oh, my page flags are on the back of this Bible. It's I think it's a child's Bible. It's got small print on there, but, you know. And then this has, it's got, okay, I'm not going to take the gel pens. That's what I was going to do. Okay. So some of the stuff, actually, I'm not going to take none of this. The only thing I need out of here, honestly, is this. And the highlighters. And then I've got a pen. Here's my little micro. It's a micro happy planner, but I turned it into a, what do you call it? Prayer journal. I can't think right now. And then, ooh, let's see what's in this bag. Oh, there's stickers in there. Okay, well, I don't need all that. I can keep all that here. So I think what we're going to do is we're just going to do this. We're just going to throw this into that bag, unless I have another handy dandy thing here. Let me see if it'll fit in here. Actually, it will. Oh, not really, but it'll work for what I need it to. This is the cosmetic bag that the sponges came in. So we're going to throw that in there. I'll have extra pins on me. I'm not worried about it. And then, yeah, we're just going to leave this entire bag here because I don't really need all that. I do need the page flags, which kind of irks me that it's, because I mark certain things, and this is a mini mister, one of those sprays. So I am going to put the page flags in there. Because I also have a glue stick ready to go too. Actually, I need to locate that glue stick. Oh, and also I'm going to take this with me. This is a little travel water thingamabob. Got this at Walmart a long time ago. I know Dollar Tree has them, but I got mine being used for something else. Okay, here's the glue stick. And I tend to, I'm sure it's in, yeah, I'll just use this. I always forget to use that. And I may pick up another adhesive thing, but I can get away with the glue stick. The reason why I'm thinking about getting a tape runner is because I ain't gonna worry about the glue. But yeah, we're just gonna take this. So that actually works out great. And like I said, I've got stickers from that journal I can just throw in there. Okay, so now this will actually shut. Oh wait, I need my Bible. Hello. Girlfriend, you need your Bible. Now, oh, wait, hold on. There was something else I was gonna do. I have another Bible that is... Okay, when I find it, I'll show you. I've got a large print Bible that I may end up taking with me instead. So that way I'm not trying to see the words here. No, actually I'm going to just take this because I don't want... That sucker's like thick. We'll just take this. So, anyway, let's just finish zipping this up. Yeah, I'm proud of myself because the old me would take like half her craft things with her. Yeah, the last time we went camping, I think I took a sewing bag. Okay, and that will totally fit in that bag. It'll be a little heavy, but I feel better now that I went through that. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to get off here and get this video uploaded. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we're gone.